Buenas tardes, clase. We are working on verb conjugations. In Spanish, there are three types of verb. Those that end in AR, like hablar. Those that end in ER, like beber. And those other verbs that end in IR, like vivir. So there are three groups. AR ending verbs, ER ending verbs, and IR ending verbs. So what I'm going to try to teach you now is how to conjugate these verbs in Spanish, and these are called regular verbs, because we have regular and irregular verbs. Okay, now these are regular verbs. Why are they called regular verbs? They are called regular verbs because they follow a pattern. They follow the same conjugation. Any AR verb or any ER verb or any IR verb will have the same endings or the same pattern conjugation. And that's the reason why they are called regular verbs. Okay, so I'm going to conjugate my first verb, which is hablar. What do I mean by conjugation? Okay, when I say conjugating, I'm going to conjugate the verb hablar. I mean that I'm going to drop the AR. That's the first step that I need to do in order to conjugate this verb. I need to drop the AR, okay? And then I am going to add different endings according to my subject pronoun. So for yo, the ending would be O. Okay, notice that I dropped the AR first. Now I'm going to add a different ending according to the subject. Okay? Now to, a different subject, okay? Because the subject changes, then the ending of my verb will change as well. So the ending for to will be AS. Okay, now for these three subjects, él, ella, and usted, the ending would be the same thing, which will be A. Okay, the ending for nosotros is amos. The endings for vosotros is ais, accent over the A. And the ending for ellos, ellas, and ustedes is the same. See how these three subjects has the same ending? These three subjects will also have the same ending. And that will be an AA. Okay, so now I have yo hablo, tú hablas, él, ella, usted habla, nosotros hablamos, vosotros habláis, and ellos, ellas, ustedes hablan. What does that mean in English? Let me translate it for you. When you say yo hablo español, por ejemplo, if you say yo hablo español, you're saying I speak Spanish or I am speaking Spanish. Tú hablas español, you speak Spanish or you are speaking in Spanish. Él, ella habla español, he speaks Spanish or he is speaking in Spanish. Nosotros hablamos español, we are speaking or we're talking Spanish. We are speaking or we speak in Spanish. Vosotros habláis español, you all are speaking Spanish or you all speak Spanish. Ellos or ellas hablan español, they speak Spanish or they are speaking Spanish. So these are your endings or your conjugation for the verb hablar. Okay?